Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. Today I am going to solve the questions of exercise 16.1 of class 11, chapter probability. Let's start the solution. Let's see the question number 1. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. A coin is tossed 3 times. The solution of this question will be in this way. A coin has two faces, head and tail. When a coin is tossed 3 times, the total number of possible outcomes is 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. Thus, when a coin is tossed 3 times, the sample space is given by sample space is generally denoted by capital alphabet S, and S is the first letter of the sample space. So, these are the sample space when a coin is tossed 3 times. So, H represents head. In the first toss we get head, second toss we get head, and third toss we get head. If we consider about this one, then first two toss we get head and third toss we get tail, and so on. Of that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 1. Let's see question number 2. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. A die is thrown 2 times. It means that a die has 1 to 6, and when it is thrown 2 times, then the number of sample space will be 6 to the power 2 equal to 36, and the sample space will be in this way in the shade builder form. Xy is the element of the sample space such that xy equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the tabular form this one will be sample space equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and so on 6, 6. So this is the sample space when a dice is thrown 2 times. Of that there is no problem to understand this solution of question number 2. If you have, then join to me in my live class in YouTube on every Sunday. Let's see, this is the question number 3. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. A coin is tossed 4 times. The solution of the question number 3 will be in this way. When a coin is tossed once, there are two possible outcomes, head and tail. When a coin is tossed 4 times, then the total number of possible outcomes or sample space will be 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. And the element of the sample space is H, 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 T, and so on, T, T, T. So this is the sample space when a coin is tossed 4 times. Let's see question number 4. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. It means that sample space of this one will be ht into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sample space of this one will be h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, and t1, t2, t3, t4, t5, t6, and number of sample space will be 2 into 6 equal to 12. Of that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 4. Let's see question number 5. This is the question number 5. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. A coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. So when a coin is tossed and we get tail, then dice is not rolled, and when we get hit, then the dice is rolled, then we get H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and T. So the sample space here will be this one, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and L. So the number of sample space here will be 7. Of that there is no problem to understand this solution. Let's see question number 6 of this exercise. 2 boys and 2 girls are in room X and 1 boy and 3 girls in room Y. Specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then a person. Let us denote 2 boys and 2 girls in room X, B1, B2, G1, G2 respectively. Let us denote 1 boy and 3 girls, D3, G3, G4, G5 respectively. So according to the required sample space will be XB1, XB2 and XG1, XG2. Similarly, YB3 for the room Y, YG3, YG4 and YG5. So this is the sample space of the question number 6 and the number of sample space each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 6. Let's see question number 7. One die of red color, one of white color and one of blue color are placed in a bag. One die is selected at random and rolled. Its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. Describe the sample space. So a die has 6 faces, 1 to 6, with one number, 1 each face. Let us denote red, white, blue dice as RWB respectively. So the sample space of this indicated experiment will be R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6 and also from white W to 6 and also from blue D to 6. So this is the sample space of this indicated experiment and the number of sample space here will be 18. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 7. If you have then join to me in my YouTube live class on every Sunday. This is the question number 8. An experiment consists of recording boy-girl composition of families with 2 children. What is the sample space if we are interested in knowing whether it is a boy or girl in order of their births? What is the sample space if we are interested in the number of girls in the family? So, in order of birth, first birth will be girl, second birth will be girl, first birth will be boy, second birth will be boy. So, here will be when the order of the birth of a boy is considered or girl is considered, the sample space is given by or first birth girl, second birth girl, first birth girl, second birth boy, first birth boy, second girl, first boy, second boy. So there is no any other option for this. So the answer of the first part of question number 8 is GG, GB, BG, BB. G denote girl and B denote boy. So the number of sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4. Of that, there is no problem to understand the solution of first part of question number 1. Let's see the second part of question number 8. So, family has two issues, either boys or girls. So, family has be 0 girl, 1 girl or 2 girl. So, the sample space of the second part of question number 8 will be 0, 1, 2. Of that, there is no problem to understand the solution of second part of question number 8. And the number of sample space of this question will be 1, 1, 2, 3. So number of s equal to 3. Next solution I can do in the next video lecture, or my next video lecture will be related to the solution of the last question or rest question of this exercise. Till then, thanks to all of you. If you think that this video lecture is useful to the students who are studying in class 11, then please do circulate this video lecture to rest other students who are in your surrounding. Thank you very much to stay with me, join to me in my YouTube live class every Sunday. Once again, I thank to all of you. Thank you very much. My next video lecture will be related to the solution of rest question of this exercise.